Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the graphics settings on the Cyberpunk 2077 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Cyberpunk 2077 game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the main menu. From here, if you wish to change your graphics settings, just click on the settings button, and now from this page, you will see graphics at the top. Go ahead and click on it. And now you can use the quick preset in order to choose based on your system resources. You may choose from low, medium, high, ultra, or the Steam Deck settings, depending upon whether you have the ray tracing options available within your GPU or not. After choosing your quality, you may choose your resolution scaling based on your GPU resources. After this, you also have the options to enable frame generation if you have DLSS available. You can also enable ray tracing if you have a GPU that supports it, and you will see various other options within it as well. Then you also have the option to choose your crowd density, the field of view, film grain, and much more features. If you don't specifically know what exactly you are changing, then it is highly recommended that you stick to the quick preset. Finally, click on the apply button, and now your graphics settings will be applied to the game right away. You can click on the run benchmark button to see how your chosen settings will run on your game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your graphics settings on the Cyberpunk 2077 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.